Along with learning English and sometimes having too much of a good time, you should always make sure to stay safe and healthy. Let's find out how to meet some of your medical needs while you are here.
So one of the main reasons that all students that come to ILAC need to have health insurance is because health insurance is mandatory. 2, health care in Canada is very expensive. So if you don't have health insurance, you will have to pay cash by yourself. And 3, there are many things that can happen while you're studying here. So it's better to be safe and to be prepared so that you can have an amazing experience and not worry about it. General things such as going to the doctor, perhaps getting a medical exam, in certain cases going to the emergency ward in a hospital because of an injury or accident.
If it's not for an emergency, you're welcome to see any family physician within your community. You can also go online to search for clinic locations and hours of operation. Students should bring their full Canadian address and email, a list of their medications, photo ID card like a passport, their insurance information, for example if they have a GuardMe card. They might also want to consider bringing a second form of payment like a debit or credit card just in case their reason for visit is not covered by their insurance.
We have walk-in clinics. Walk-in clinics are available around ILAC, and you can ask your ILAC staff members to recommend the closest one to you. The walk-in clinic is for minor issues. If a student cuts their finger, if they have a little bit of a stomach pain, perhaps a headache, this is a good chance to go to the walk-in clinic. If the student has an injury, if it's serious, if there's a very high fever or an accident, this is when we would recommend students call 911 or go to the emergency room in a hospital.
So once the doctor gives you your prescription, there is typically a pharmacy located in the same building as the clinic or across the street. I recommend asking the on-site staff where the nearest location is.
We want to make sure that students have an amazing experience when they come to study in Canada. And we know that that's something that ILAC really values. And that's why I believe that ILAC has chosen to partner with GuardMe so that we can make sure that the safety and health of students is the #1 priority. And then they can study English and have an amazing time.
So, to get good care, make sure you know where you can get the right medical attention for any of your needs. And remember to purchase your mandatory health insurance. So, if you are careless like me, you can always get great care. Somebody call 911.